guys, and welcome to this weekly vlog. So we're starting out, but I saw on Facebook, I'm part of like a free site, and this person put a curb alert, and I looked at the picture and I was like, looks like there's some DVDs there. So I drove over there and this is all that we got. We hit jackpot. So Arlie got all those magic cards. That's full of magic cards, and this is full of magic cards. We got that Diablo game, which, I mean, look at the price of that. And this stuff's just sitting out front for free. And then we got almost all of the sets of Friends. We got some Xbox games. And then we got all those games and movies and TV shows. So that's pretty good. So how are the cards, honey?
I thought they're all going to be commons, and they're most certainly not.
So he's excited because he found some rare cards in there, and it was definitely worth the drive over. And then I got 2 Owl Beware Tombstone Halloween decorations and a werewolf decoration. It was really cool. The only thing I left there was a pool for like a baby, you know, like a baby pool. Some spider decorations just because I didn't like them. And 2 chairs that I didn't really, they were nice chairs, I just didn't have a need for them. And then I left a outdoor patio table that was circular. So that's what I left, but I took everything else. And yeah, hit the jackpot big time. I also got a really pretty lamp over there. I'm gonna plug it in and see if it works. It's Monday morning, and yes, my poof is that awesome naturally. Anyway, we're in the art room. Baby is down here playing on his playmat, wearing the cutest little jersey ever. He's taken his morning helmet break. And we're deep cleaning in the art room. So we have stuff that we're giving away, Goodwill stuff, or garage sale stuff, holiday stuff, and then I'm just decluttering my entire art room. There's stuff over here too, just everywhere. And I'm trying to declutter and clean just so I could set it up for Christmas time and start filming my Christmas videos. So yeah, I just gotta organize this area over here. Then I'm gonna organize the books and the games that are back here. And then I'm gonna get in the closet, which is gonna take forever. So I have 2 days to do this room. Yeah, don't we? This jersey is so small for him, but it's like 18 months. And I'm just like, how? Anyway, so that's what we're doing right now. So now me and baby are downstairs. It's 8:15. We worked up there for like 2 hours. So I did want to mention real quick, these gates in the background, yeah, it looks like it's a total disaster over here. Promise it's not. It's just where we change baby and practically where he lives. But these gates, there's 3 gates there. And we got all 3 for 40 bucks. We were going to buy the 2 for 40 bucks together. And then a lady had a 3rd one and just gave it to us for free. So super excited about that. And then we ordered baby proofing stuff. Our first round of baby proofing stuff on Amazon. And then we have like some other baby proofing stuff for when he starts like walking around, you know. We have these glass tables and we need to get a bumper that goes around them so he won't bump his head on it. But we have a good start to baby proofing because he can't crawl yet, but he's scooting and rolling. And so we'll put him like over here and he'll be clear over there, you know. And he could get curious with outlet plugs and all that stuff. So that's why we decided to get that stuff. Hey guys, we just did some stuff around the house, and baby's here in his cute little Seahawks jersey and helmet looking like a football player. We're just chilling, and I just wanted to get a cute little video of how cute he looks today. Do you look cute today? Are you trying to crawl? Okay guys, today is Tuesday. I've been just hanging out with my baby. He's a happy boy. Is that the baby? Ticky, ticky, ticky. He's ticklish in his neck back here. You're so sweet. So, I don't know if I vlogged earlier. It's been a long day because baby got up really early. But I worked really hard at cleaning the art room yesterday, so today I kind of just did some things around the house that were lightweight. And I haven't been feeling too good, but yeah, just hanging out with this little cute baby. I get, oh, tiki, 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 tiki. He's such a sweetheart, though. But, I'm just giving him some cuddles right now, because he's been trying to crawl. I'll insert a little video clip. But he was doing that for, like, 30 minutes. He totally should have wore it in October, but I don't know why he didn't. But yeah, we've just been chilling, doing some stuff around the house, and I'm trying to feel better from feeling kind of sick. Okay guys, today is Wednesday. Of course, the week I decide to deep clean my house, I catch a stomach bug. So, I don't know if I told you guys, but night before last, I was feeling sick and just being like really, really sick. But then last night was like a whole nother story, like deathly ill last night and in a lot of pain and stuff. I'm not sure what it was from, because those 2 days I did 3 things exactly the same. Number 1, I had a soda that was diet. Number 2, I had the same exact lunch, which was chicken with chipotle sauce, which I've had a billion times, on a salad, which I've had a billion times. And then the other thing is I had those pumpkin muffins that I made. I made some gluten-free pumpkin muffins, and I have a feeling like those were what made me sick. And so for the first time in 6 years being married to my husband, I asked him to stay home from work to help me with baby, because I was starting to get like really dehydrated last night and kind of scared.
He's not mad yet, honey. He's just learning.
It's okay, baby. You're learning to crawl. Attempt number 3 at trying to see his new little tooth at the bottom there. It's going to be on the right side. He likes to stick his tongue out. Can you see it right there? Yeah. That's my baby. Okay guys, today is Thursday, and it is November 7th, I think. And we just saw in Caden's mouth that his little tooth is popped through. Yeah, it did. It did, didn't it? It's right there at the edge of his gum, and when I touch it, I can feel the tooth has popped. It just needs to come completely out, but it has popped. So, yeah. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? Let's see it one more time, okay? I know you want to bite me. You see it right there? Yeah! You see it right there? Yeah! So, that is exciting news. Today, we got up super early. My cat's like right here. Baby has been thrown off completely by daylight savings time. So I'm going to try to fix his schedule a little bit so he can get back on track. I told you guys a few vlogs ago that I was having a little bit of pain, 6 months postpartum, and that basically, I don't think it's normal, you know. So I explained that I went to my OBGYN, and if you guys have been with me for a bit, or since I've had baby, you know I absolutely dislike her. Watch my past vlogs and I can tell you, and I will tell you then like exactly why I don't like her. Basically, she put me at risk, she put my baby at risk. She's just not a very good doctor. But I couldn't really go see anybody new because it's the end of the year and nobody's taking new patients and trying to find one with my insurance and all of that crap. But I am going to find one, and I do have one in mind for January, and I'm going to make an appointment with them, like my annual checkups. Anyway, aside from all of that, I told you I was having some pain, and then I went to go see her. She basically said it was 100% psychological and that I'm crazy and that it's my fault, and I didn't really go into a lot of detail as to what I'm seeing her about or what is exactly going on, just because it's pretty private. But anybody knows who's had a baby, if you're still having pain at 6 months postpartum, then something's not really right. So I just decided to get a referral from my regular doctor to go see the lady I saw towards the end of my pregnancy for the pelvic girdle pain. She does pelvic floor therapy. She's an actual real doctor, not just a PT. She's like a doctor, has all this specialized training in what I'm dealing with. So I went and saw her yesterday, and she really put me at ease that what I'm feeling isn't necessarily like, you know, normal. It shouldn't be the normal, but that it's okay, and that a lot of women have this issue, and that it's easily fixable. So I have set up to go and see her to start feeling better. It is something that can be fixed in a very short time. She's actually pregnant herself, and at the first week of December is going to be her last week working for a while. And so I have about 5 appointments with her total, and stuff that I could do at home to kind of help and feel better. So I started that yesterday, and hopefully it's going to start helping. How do you feel about your new tooth popping through? Okay guys, today is Friday. I just got done about an hour ago with my deep cleaning of downstairs. I do have the living room and the dining room to do deep cleaning on, but the kitchen, bathroom, laundry area, and my art room upstairs is all done this week. So we're upstairs because baby's afraid of the vacuum, and we're vacuuming the living room. So he's just chilling here. He just had a bath and smells super good. He's gonna have dinner in a few minutes. He's got his first tooth. Things are going great. Hey guys, so today is Saturday, and I'm going to get my ring looked at. I told you earlier in the week it has to be inspected twice a year, and then I'm gonna look into getting it resized because I'm just not as skinny as I was when I first got married, and I plan to lose weight, so I don't want it to be too big of a ring, but I do want to size it up just a little bit. Okay, for some reason my dashboard, whatever it's called, totally made my phone fall off. So we'll just talk from here for a bit. So I'm gonna go get my ring checked and get it resized. And then on top of that, I'm going to just drop by the dollar store and get a few household items I need, and look at the Christmas stuff. So super excited to look at the Christmas stuff. I gotta figure out how to fix my other one. Okay guys, so I did leave my ring with Zales. They are going to resize it for me, just up one size, and it should be done by the 23rd, which would be nice. But yeah, so I am gonna get it resized, which makes me happy. It was a 5, and I normally wear a 6 anyway, so that's why I'm kind of shocked it's a 5. I just lost a lot of weight before I got married. I was like, I had to lose a lot of weight because the measurements were done wrong, so yeah.